Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW i4. First, understand that there are two main types of resets you can perform: a soft reset for minor glitches and a full system reboot for more persistent issues. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and stationary before attempting any reset procedure. This helps maintain safety and prevents any unexpected interruptions during the process. For a quick soft reset, locate the volume control button on your center console. Press and hold this button for approximately 30 seconds. You'll notice the iDrive screen will go dark and then restart. Release the button once the screen goes black. This simple action can often resolve minor infotainment or connectivity issues without affecting your saved settings. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a full system reboot might be necessary. To perform this, ensure your BMW i4 is parked and completely turned off. Then, open the driver's door and leave it open for at least 15 minutes. After this time, close the door and restart your vehicle. This allows the car's systems to fully power down and then reboot, which can clear more stubborn problems. Knowing when to apply each reset type is key. Use the soft reset for minor annoyances like a frozen screen or Bluetooth connection problems. If those don't work, move to the full system reboot. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and stationary before initiating any reset. If issues persist after these steps, it's best to contact a BMW service center for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.